Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Center for Tropical Medicines. I hope that we end up with a very good paper that you can publish on the very high level of scientific journal.
He actually has extensive work with Indonesia a few years back, so he knows Indonesia, the good and bad and everything, I guess.
Indonesia, and then also to come to know Udayana University, which is an emerging leader in public health, and actually before the FRTP. So this is really the top of all the work that you've been doing on your research.
So I managed to cover all the essential information that you need in an introduction section in less.
All over the world, from people writing with English as a second language or English
in a similar format to what was delivered yesterday with the introduction. And we'll also have the opportunity.
The difficult one. This is the one that will cause you problems because you see an S and you think it should be apostrophe before the S.
Yeah, so John's probably going to say a couple of words.
I kind of have to repeat. Good morning, everyone. Sorry. Selamat pagi semuanya. And due to several changes in the flights of the Bali team and everything, Brad probably will say something about the schedule. Time is yours.
Going very quickly, just revising you or some key principles or reminding you of things that you probably already know quite well. But if there's things that you don't know or aren't sure about, let us know because we can cover them in a little bit more detail if need be.
I've done teaching in Australia, but this is kind of unique. A 2-day, 3-day continuous workshop, international, so it's kind of an honor for me, and thank you for kind of trusting me on this. It would be better to make it informal, so I would like you to talk. You can stop me, you can ask questions, and we make sure that we understand each other before going forward.
I mean the workshop there, and I should introduce I think I know everybody here, but Amit, my colleague from Sydney, who is from our biostatistics department, because it is very important with this type of workshop that you understand as we go along. So if you sort of miss something at one early stage in particular, it might be hard for you to understand the things that come next. So don't be afraid to say, stop, don't quite understand, what do you mean, can you explain it in a slightly different way, and we'll try and do that. So ratios unadjusted, right, whatever they are down here.
The way Brad showed in the paper.
Yeah.
First and last module all the ratios. The middle models is for your workbook. You don't have to publish them.
But we'll still like to see them tomorrow for the homework.
Then you can show it to us.
Yeah, because we'll see how you progressed. And then this one here is the adjusted or odds ratio. Sometimes it's called the AOR.
I believe Brad and John already know Selamat pagi, so you already get all the feedbacks, I know. So enjoy today's meeting. Enjoy Center for Tropical Medicine, and hopefully we'll have nice weather outside.
But particularly welcome to the new trainees, or not so new trainees, the old trainees now. I think this must be maybe our fifth group.
Hopefully I can find the predictors, the other predictor that was significant. And the third, I will analyze the data by increasing the period, maybe 80 months or 2 years.
In general, it's good to cut in a place which makes sure we have some data points in each category.
Why you different in descriptive?
Like I mentioned before that weight normal data, so I use mean.
I made before in categories less than 10.
If you are already transfused, then we should be cautious on giving zidofudin. You know, this is in the details actually. So
you see, CD4 count less than 200 has worse survival than CD4 count above 200. Does that make sense?